because this dude's just one tap into it. I died. I didn't even get to take a step forward.
That'll happen.
This is the worst experience ever.
You ready? Let's go.
Oh my god. It's shipment domination. But this is one of the smallest maps. I think this actually is the smallest map in the game. I think the smallest map ever. The smallest map they've ever made. And it's domination, so they have to capture the points. So it's gonna be someone's probably gonna get 100 kills in this game. I wouldn't be surprised.
Kills.
I've seen it before on this map. Easy.
Easy.
I could knock out a good 30. I'm hoping.
Catch you later, Cable.
You got a good 20 in you on this game, I'm sure. Just stay aggressive and kill everything. You'll adapt quickly.
Stay aggressive and kill everything.
Just kill everything, dude.
Oh, there's a dude on the point already.
It's the smallest map ever,
on
dude.
the point?
The smallest map, dude.
Oh, dude, I can't see. I don't know what's going on. I'm just dying. I'm spawning into grenades and dying.
Yep.
Okay.
That's what happens when you get on the small map.
Finally got somebody.
I haven't even killed anybody yet.
What? Where are they?
They're everywhere, Michael.
I'm watching people die, and I'm not seeing. That one? No. Wow, this is crazy.
Yeah, this is insane. But it's a lot of fun, I tell you what.
Nope, he's dying.
He got both of us.
He's camping in that corner. Wow, he's just... I've died 3 times and gotta be 10 seconds.
Oh yeah. You're gonna get a lot of deaths this game, Michael. You're also gonna get a lot of kills. So it's alright.
Where'd my grenade go? They're literally in a corner. I don't understand.
No way.
I'm getting shot. No.
Oh, there's so many of them. I spawned and the grenade was already on me.
Yeah, me too. I died again.
Oh my God.
I don't even know.
This is fantastic.
No, what? Okay, I spawned into a guy killing me.
Yep. Sometimes that'll happen actually a lot of times on this.
No, this dude. What is going on?
It's a great way to get your reflexes up.
No, because this dude's just one tap into it. I died. I didn't even get to take a step forward.
That'll happen.
This is the worst experience ever.
Oh, how many kills you got?
3, maybe.
Oh, there you are. That was you I'm shooting at. Oh my god, I just killed everybody. I only killed one guy, actually. Never mind.
No, I died. I almost got to take 2 steps.
Oh.
No, I died. It doesn't even count as walking forward. No, I died again. Doesn't even count as walking forward. No, I died. No! I'm not even getting to take a step. No, instantly dead again. This dude is literally just shooting me as soon as I'm up.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm dead again.
At least you got. I guess I take like 5 steps that time. That was nice. That was like a marathon.
No, this dude didn't even shoot. How did I die? No, straight dead. 3 in a row.
Oh, it's a grenade.
No.
Well, you got 4 kills. You're doing pretty good. Well, what gun are you using?
MP5. But no, they're just like I'm dying instantly. I shoot them first, but then I die first.
You'll get faster. That's alright.
But I'm getting the first shot is the messed up part.
Yeah, they get those headshots.
I mean, that dude was just standing there.
Oh. Yeah, some people like that guy right there, he just jumped around the corner and hip fired me from like across the map and headshot me one time. One bullet across the map. Easy.
I'm shooting on a teammate. No, this dude's bad though.
That's gotta kill him.
Nope, I died.
We're all in this corner just trapped. They have a spawn trap for a second. Hold on.
No, I'm dead.
Suck.
No, I'm dead. No, dead.
I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Oh no. Ah.
No, dead. I don't even know what from what that time. Nope, dead.
Nice. Oh yeah, once people start getting planes, people are gonna start dying quickly.
Dead.
Kobe.
No, dead.
Oh my god, I just killed everybody. Just there.
I can't see.
Oh yeah, I couldn't see
That must
either.
have been my longest life, and it was because I was lost in smoke.
Oh yeah, that'll happen.
I haven't lived that long in a while. Oh my god, these people just know exactly what they're doing.
Oh yeah, they do.
No, I can't even see.
I gotta play the game like 5 times already. It's fantastic. This is ridiculous. Unless other people probably they have like almost everybody on their team has 30 kills. The other team is some monsters.
I'm curious how many times I've died. It's gotta be a record. Nope, just dead again.
You and me probably have about the same amount of kills. Or I mean deaths. I mean. Oh no.
Reload. Reload. Damn it.
I probably have more deaths. Oh.
Nope, I don't even know.
I can't even like move right now. I'm being spawn tapped.
I flashed myself. I'll probably live pretty long now.
There's a guy over there on your right side.
Oh, no. Oh, getting shot.
No way.
No. The spawning in front of somebody shooting at me is what I really don't like, to be honest.
Well, that's only about this map. That's only a this map type of thing. On domination, it's crazy. There's many spawn deaths. There you go, got that guy. Get him, Michael. I ran out of ammo.
So I'm trying to reload.
Oh, they fired us all.
It's quicker to die than it is to reload.
Yeah. Yep, it is. Oh. Bad toss.
Oh my god.
I know where they all are. Really?
Oh, why can't I reload?
You're dying. Can't reload when you're dead, Michael.
I couldn't find the melee button yesterday, and today that's all I can find.
Close quarters like this should be alright. Go. that a helicopter? Who has a helicopter? Oh no,
Somebody
we're all
does
dead.
have a helicopter.
We're all dying. We're still surviving.
I'm just dying anyways.
Oh, Jesus.
No, I'm dying. I'm getting shot before I spawn in.
The helicopter, everybody's doing. I'm watching all our entire team. I'm hiding in a box, honestly. All right, so we almost won. We gotta get this thing real quick.
That was something just blew up.
Watch them win. When we're literally 2 points away from winning.
Reload.
They might actually. No, they're not. There's no way. We gotta rush A. Everybody rush A.
Just killed myself.
Oh wait, we have C. Oh my god, bro. We're good, we're good. We won. I got 39, I almost got 40.
Impossible.
See, I told you you get 20. You almost got 20. You got
Oh my god. How many times did I die though?
Oh no, I didn't get play the game. Come on. I had 5 plays better than this. You had
How many times did
68
die?
deaths. I had
Okay.
60.
That makes sense. 68 deaths. Holy
I had
crap.
60 deaths, so I was right behind you on that.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.